Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. So let's discuss what happened today on the Nifty. So on the daily time frame, we are still taking resistance from the following trend line. We tried giving a breakout today, but again, if you see properly, we have again made a doji today. So doji basically shows indecisiveness, and this indecisiveness I feel should continue until the Russia issue is sorted out. Okay, so on the daily time frame, nothing much to discuss. The upper range still remains the same, 17,617, and the lower range 16,827. So these are the two levels on the up and the down that you should be noting. And let's go down to the smaller time frame and discuss what happened today intraday. So intraday we opened gap down because of some bad global cues, and we slid further from our opening. So on my telegram I updated in the morning itself around 9:23 that 17097, and it is an immediate support for Nifty. So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, we a single candle also has not closed below 17097. So yes, the level which was shared on the telegram worked out pretty well. And this is a very small time frame, a 15-minute time frame. So if you look over here also, okay, if I remove everything for a second, if I remove everything, okay, and if I draw a trend line, if you see over here, okay, there is again a falling supply trend line on a 15-minute time frame also, which has multiple touches, one over here, a rough touch over here, third, fourth, and today again we have gone down from the same levels. Okay, and just for everyone's reference, we were doing pretty well intraday. Okay, we gapped down, okay, took support around 17,100, and we almost hit around 17,350. So it was almost a 250 point rally from the low. Okay, but again from this trend line we took resistance, and there was a, I would say, a very big sell-off, because 150 points is a very big thing on Nifty, and there was a sell-off on the Nifty in the second half, okay, which I did not expected, and the sell-off was very severe. If you look down at the volume candles, okay, at around 205, okay, and this is the place where the selling started, okay, and if you see roughly, okay, you can see a head and shoulder pattern, but it's not very significant because it's a very small time frame of 5 minutes. So this is a shoulder, okay, left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. Okay, so there was a head and shoulder pattern also available on the 5 minute time frame, whose target was working out to be from the neckline, which turned out to be 17,216. So Nifty closed around 17,216. So it's an not a very great closing according to me, because we were looking very solid from the morning after the gap down, but the second half selling was severe and we slid down. Everything took a slide, whether it was IT, whether it was Nifty Bank, whether it was Reliance, everything took a slide. So yeah, for tomorrow, there's nothing much. These are levels which are available on your screen, which I will be looking forward to trade. And if there is anything else that would come up intraday, I would let you know over my Telegram. So, and today we took a trade on SRF also. Okay, so the reason why we took the trade on SRF is very simple. Okay, if you see 2330 is a very crucial support. Okay, initially it was a resistance. Okay, and then it is turning out to be a support. Okay, from the month of February, and again in the March we are taking support. In Feb March we are taking support. So this is a very crucial support from which SRF has bounced off today. So that is the reason we initiated a trade around 2385, around 2385 on the SRF. Our stop loss is below 2330. It's around 2325 levels. Yeah, and the target which you see is around 2474 and 2539. So I'll keep you posted how this trade um, proceeds and how this trace goes about, whether we're hitting a stop loss. But the probability of stop loss getting hit in this market is very high, because it's very well volatile. The market is very volatile. And for your information, our second series of the webinar is also going live. We are doing a webinar on this weekend. It's going to be on position sizing, risk management, money management. So do register fast. We only have a very limited seats. Okay, so I've put the link in the Telegram and also on my Instagram. And so if you're there on Instagram, you can follow me there. My handle is Saurav.Raj97. You'll be finding the link below in the description area. Okay, for in this video of my all my social handles, and also for registering to this webinar. Okay, I'll be providing the link in my description. And just for your reference, okay, it was a doji kind of a closing, meaning we did not do much on the Nifty, but yes, there was a significant rise in VIX, and VIX was almost around 5-6% up intraday. Okay, it cooled off a bit, but it's not good. Okay, VIX is not looking good, and US market are closed today, so we are not going to get any cues from there. SGX is showing a 40-point gap down, but it's more insignificant right now. Whatever gap down will happen will be more significant in the morning, whatever SGX shows. So yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow back in the evening with the another analysis of Nifty. So yeah, have a nice night.